Alright guys, real quick, just install my Speedohealer. If you don't know what that is, so because I just did my chain upgrade, which was 1 down in the front, 2 up in the rear, which is a smaller sprocket there, bigger sprocket at the back, lighter chain obviously. The speedometer is going to read off, right? So obviously that's correct right now, but again, because of that, you want to install a Speedohealer. So pretty much it's a Velcro the back of this, sticked it there, ran it through here. This is the cable, ran it straight down there. But what I had to do was lift up the gas tank. So to lift up the gas tank, you loosen this, you loosen this one, loosen that one, and you loosen this, and then you lift it from, this is at least how I did it. You just lift it up from right here, both sides. Lift it up, and then it's pretty much under there. I did make an other video, well, it's not really a video, but I recorded showing where it was. I'm just gonna insert it so you see where it is. Okay, real quick, I got the gas tank lifted up. So right there, you see that connection. And only reason I'm making this quick video is just now, you know, I was trying to find it on YouTube, and I found one guy that kind of hinted to where it was. Like it was pretty much just like this, and he's like, pick it up and it's under there, but he didn't show it. And there was 2 plugs under there, and I wasn't sure which one it was, but you know, I'm that guy, I got it the first time. But I'll show you where it is, okay? But again, point of this video is to show you where is the speed sensor coupler located on the CBR600RR, okay? Oh, by the way, it came with, where is it? Hold on, let me find it. There it is. It came with this also, right? Now, this one just plugs right there, and it have a long loom, right? A long wire loom. See this little button right here? Hold on. Yeah, right, this little button right here. Pretty much you run it all the way, and then you mount it wherever you want over here by the dashboard. So this is if you want to like turn off your speed limiter and a few other things that I'm not really into. So point being, there's no need to install this. If you want to install it, you can, but there's no need to install this for the features that it offers. It's nothing beneficial to, you know, what I'm looking to do. But if you check out their website, just look that up. It's going to show you all the features of these. Okay. Yeah, so just a quick, oh, let me just show you this real quick. One more thing. So now, right, being that this is connected to the speed sensor, when you turn the wheel, the speed up there should move. Watch. You see, I'm spinning it, went back to 0. I spin it again. See, 1, 2, right. Now, anyone knows that ride bikes, if that wasn't installed, you would spin the wheel and the speedometer will still say 0. So with this install, now my speedometer is reading correctly. Before, if you don't have this installed, it would tell you you're doing, you know, 50 miles an hour and you're probably doing 40, or vice versa. But that's why you want to have the correct thing, you know. Anyway, thanks for watching.
RRM. Peace.